Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off unsubscribe from all the emails on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now click manage emails, and here you will find this, and just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off unsubscribe from all emails on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.